Kid morals.
One bright morning in Dholakpur, Bheem and his best friend Gajju, the baby elephant, were joyfully playing by the riverside. Suddenly, a beautiful blue butterfly fluttered into view, catching Gajju's attention. Mesmerized, Gajju couldn't resist following it, his little feet carrying him deeper into the jungle. But in his excitement, Gajju didn't notice a hidden pit in the ground. Before he knew it, he tumbled down into the deep pit, the butterfly flying safely away. Meanwhile, Bheem realized Gajju was missing. "Gajju, where are you?" he called out, concern growing in his heart. He searched the surroundings, his eyes sharp and focused, until he found Gajju's footprints leading to dense jungle. Trapped and scared, Gajju began to cry out, his roars echoing through the dense forest. He felt helpless. Just as Gajju let out a loud roar, his voice echoed through the jungle, reaching Bheem's ears. Bheem's heart skipped a beat. He knew that was Gajju, and he raced towards the sound, the memories of his golden days with Bheem. He remembered how they would play near the river, laughing and chasing each other in the sunshine. He could see Bheem's smiling face. The memories gave Gajju strength. He stopped roaring and began to calm down, knowing that Bheem would come for him. Even in the darkness of the pit, Gajju felt a flicker of hope, trusting that his friend would find him, just like he always did. Bheem peered over the edge and saw Gajju trapped at the bottom, looking up with wide, scared eyes. "Don't worry, Gajju. I'm here," Bheem reassured him, determination in his voice. Without wasting any time, Bheem began gathering logs and vines from the jungle. He worked quickly, his hands moving with purpose as he constructed a ramp. Once the ramp was ready, Bheem carefully lowered it into the pit. "Come on, Gajju, you can do it," Bheem encouraged. Gajju, trusting his friend completely, began to climb the ramp. With Bheem's guidance, Gajju made it to the top, and the two friends embraced, relieved and happy to be reunited.